the fuck would you feel? Oh, fuck, let me.
Fuck.
Watch out, cunt.
You fuckhead. What the fuck is wrong with it?
Cunt. Fuck off. Would you piss on your hands or something?
You can.
Fuck off. Just fucking smash me.
Fuck.
Fuck up. Fuck up. Because I'm fucking blind.
Go fuck yourself, I reckon.
Fuck it. Both of you. So I'll fucking break your necks if you don't look out.
You stupid cunt.
Covered his legs.
Get it, boys, get it!
Swallow it.
Now, open the mouth! Down the coffee.
Tea. Tastes like nothing.
It's like your cup. Give your balls a wedgie.
A manual is better than an auto.
Why?
Less maintenance, less chance of breaking down, and turn that fucking camera off. Mate, if I was you, I'd stop fucking Snapchatting me before I bolt your head back in between your fucking shoulders. So fuck off before I come and get you, you stupid.
Fuck off, cunt. I've got fucking food poisoning, so fuck off.